The Blue Air AlwaysCool handheld fan is a compact and portable fan with adjustable airflow angles designed for comfortable cooling wherever you go. In this video, we'll walk through the key features, accessories, and cleaning tips. Inside the box, you'll find the handheld fan with the hand strap attached, USB-C charging cable, and quick start guide. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn the fan on or off. Use the fan speed dial to adjust airflow based on your comfort preference, with customizable speeds from 1 to 100. Tap the power button to switch between fan speed and battery information. The LED ring provides a quick visual indicator of the fan's battery life. The ring appears green when battery life is above 10% and orange when battery life drops below 10%. Adjust the fan head up to 75 degrees for hands-free airflow wherever you place it. Recharge the fan using the included USB-C charging cable connected to a charging port. A full charge can take up to 4 hours and provides up to 32 hours of battery life depending on fan speed settings. Regular cleaning helps maintain smooth airflow and keeps your AlwaysCool looking its best. Before cleaning, make sure the fan is powered off and disconnected from the charging cable. Gently wipe the fan cover and air inlet grill using a clean, dry cloth.